Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to Manjula's Kitchen. Pineapple Sandesh. This is a popular Bengali sweet. This is healthy and delicious dessert. A great dessert for sophisticated people and so easy to make and with very few ingredients. This recipe will serve 8. To make pineapple sandesh, we will need 4 cups of milk. I am using the whole milk. For this recipe, fat-free milk does not work. 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons of sliced pistachios, and 6 slices of pineapple. I am using the canned pineapple. To make paneer, boil the milk over medium-high heat. Always use the heavy bottom pan, and before putting the milk in the pan, I always like to wet the pan. This helps so milk don't get burned in the bottom. When milk will start boiling, I will add the lemon juice to make the paneer. In between, do stir the milk couple of times. The milk has started coming to boil, so I will add the lemon juice. Just wait few seconds, then stir the milk, and as you see, milk fat has started separating from the whey. Now I will drain the whey. I am using the strainer and covering this with muslin cloth. I have drained the whey and then washed the paneer with cold water to remove the sourness from lemon, and then squeeze the water out. So as you see, there is no more water to squeeze. I am using the dry clean surface to knead the paneer to make sandesh. So knead the paneer from back of your palm like this, just rubbing it till paneer is very smooth. Okay. Knead the paneer for about 1 minute till it starts coming together, and like you see, it's like a soft dough. Now I will add the sugar and cardamom powder and knead again, so till everything is mixed well. Paneer and sugar is mixed well. It's like a soft dough, and this is known as sandesh. So now I will make the pineapple sandesh. For that, just use the dry and clean surface and spread the pineapple pieces. Okay, and then pat dry the pineapple. Pat dry from both sides. Okay, so take the paneer and just make it in a log and spread over and cover it evenly. And pick up in your hand. Okay, this is ready. Do all of them the same way. So I have covered all 6 pineapples with the sandesh, and I am going to garnish it with pistachios. It gives the beautiful color. All the pineapple pieces I have garnished it, and then I like to slice them in 4s. So just use the sharp knife. And see how pretty it looks. So just do it all of them. Pineapple Sandesh is ready to serve. Serve it chilled. So tempting and delicious. This is a guilt-free dessert. Serve Pineapple Sandesh in your next party. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and we'll love to read your comments. Till we meet again, check out more recipes on manjulaskitchen.com.